Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. From my last two videos, we went to Matsushima, one of Japan's most scenic views, and stayed at Minamisanriku Hotel Kanyo, an onsen hotel on a cliff facing the Pacific Ocean. And in this video, I'll be taking you to Miyagi Prefecture's Neko Island or Cat Island, the main reason we went on this journey. Let's go! Miyagi Prefecture's famous Cat Island is found in a small island in Ishinomaki called Tashirojima. The island is located northeast of Sendai, and we took a ferry from Ishinomaki's Ajishima line, which takes less than an hour to reach Tashirojima Island. There are two ports on the island. We got off at Nitodo Port since we were told that there are more cats in this residential area. The cats are said to be used as rodent population control in the Edo period and eventually captured the hearts of the local residents and tourists. They even built a cat shrine for these felines on the top of the hill. So we just got off the boat and so far we haven't seen any cats yet. So hot. Proceed with caution. Cat approaching. Hey! The cats are very much used to people and they freely roam around the island, which I understand why some people would call it a cat paradise. There are also many signs prohibiting tourists from feeding the cats because there is a high risk of overfeeding. But don't worry because the locals here take care of the cats and they pretty much just mind their own business. So we are at a stopover at this cafe. And as you can see, we're going to the cat shrine right there. Just a few more walk. 0.3 kilometers. This is the cafe. Wow. There's a cat. Bamboo forest. Oh no. Oh no. So this is the cat shrine. Okay, so we just saw a few cats and I think I'm happy now, and now we're gonna try to fly the drone somewhere. I love cats and this island is definitely a paradise for me as well. The cats look healthy and relaxed, and walking around the island is like Easter egg hunting, but instead of eggs, it's cats. Overall, I love this tour, and if you're a cat lover like me, I would highly recommend visiting this island. So that's it guys! Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel for the latest updates on my contents. For more related contents and to know more about me, please visit my website at www.veniceaka.com.